Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present just in time for asset and inventory management. So I would like to say hello to all my friends and to Professor Madya TS Dr. Muhammad Haji Matno. So my name is Muhammad SHAH bin Muhammad Bustan. Metric number is BV21024. Meaning of JIT, that is just in time research is conducted in real time or in advance of when the data or information will be needed. Decisions and operations in manufacturing and production benefit greatly from accurate and up-to-date information. Continuous data collection via the use of automated production technology is the foundation of just-in-time manufacturing research. Decisions about production, inventories, and other areas of operation may be made using this information in real time. Introduction. About just-in-time, a manufacturing philosophy based on the systematic reduction of waste and the relentless pursuit of productivity gains. Bottlenecks in implementing just-in-time in an industry, that is, there is no benefit to just-in-time enhancement. How often plans change, not enough rewards for suppliers, costs are already as low that can possibly get. History of just-in-time, that is developed in Japan after World War II as a response to the country's dwindling vehicle market share. In 1970, Toyota Motor Corporation was the first to successfully use a just-in-time system. The Japanese industrial sector sought methods to maximize the effectiveness of available resources. They aimed for the best possible balance between price and quality. Just-in-time inventory management. Just-in-time function, that is zero inventory, zero lead time, and zero failure. That is gains in manufacturing efficiency, get rid of the quality problems, schedule changes, and late deliveries that are causing production to halt. Allows the industrial supply chain to adapt to different products and fluctuating production demands. Cuts down on the amount of time required for both setup and delivery. The 8 types of waste, that is overproduction, in definition manufacturing an item before it is needed, inappropriate processing, that is using expensive high precision equipment when simpler machines would suffice, waiting, wasteful time incurred when product is not being moved or processed, transportation, excessive movement and material handling of product between processes, motion, unnecessary effort related to the ergonomic of bending, stretching, reaching, lifting, and walking. Inventory. Excess inventory hides problems on the shop floor, consumes space, increase lead times, and inhibits communication. Defects, that is quality defects, result in rework and scrap and add wasteful cost to the system in the form of lost capacity, rescheduling effort, increased inspection, and loss of customer goodwill, underutilization of employees, failure of the firm to learn from the capitalized on its employees' knowledge and creativity, impedes long-term efforts to eliminate waste. Source of waste: overproduction, waiting period, transportation that is not required, waste from processing, work methods that are insufficient, defects in products. Just-in-time strategy for minimizing waste. The ICE inventory is reduced by manufacturing in lower batch sizes. Reduced inventory levels enable issues to be identified, resulting in chances for manufacturing process improvement. Just-in-time technique. That is, the first one is customer places order. The second is manufacturer receives order. Third is manufacturer orders materials from the supplier. The sixth, that is, manufacturer receives product. Fifth, supplier delivers materials to manufacturer. Fourth, supplier receives order. Seventh, manufacturer assembles product. Eighth, manufacturer fulfills order. And the ninth, for the last, that is, customer receives product. Benefits of just-in-time, that is, small production flow, to reduction of inventory cost, to the employee satisfaction and stronger relationships, maintenance of equipment, reduction in storage and waiting time, just-in-time goals, that is, and building blocks, that is, the chain here is for the ultimate goal is a balanced rapid flow, supporting goals, that is, reduce setup and lead times, eliminate disruptions, eliminate waste, make the system flexible, and minimize inventories. So the bottom is the product design, process design, personal elements, manufacturing planning. Product design, that is standard parts, simplifying the design system of high capacity production and concurrent engineering. Process design, that is partial acreage only, saves time during setup, a decreased amount of active work, better quality, mobility in manufacturing. So benefits of small a lot size. There is one, eliminated same stock. The second is reduced need for reinvention. Third, there is less room for storing. Fourth, the issue are increasingly noticeable. Fifth, increased product flexibility. The sixth, operation is easier to balance. Personal elements. That is, employee are considered assets. Employee who have received further training, continuous enhancement, leadership. Manufacturing planning, the pull system, vendor connection that is close, reduce transaction processing, delivery delays, preventative upkeep. The philosophy of zero invention. Definition: there is zero inventory is a business procedure in which the company keeps a small quantity of inventory or no inventory in order to decrease possession and storage expenses. The second is the zero inventory mindset seeks to decrease waste, enhance efficiency, and boost production. We got 5 lean principles, that is, define value, map value stream, create flow, establish pull system, and pursue perfection. Types of inventory, that is, raw material, WIP goods, finished goods, MRO goods, merchandise, transit inventory, anticipation inventory, buffer inventory, decoupling inventory, and cycle inventory. Advantages for zero inventory, that is, cost cutting measures. You considerable minimize your expenditures by reducing the requirement to hold inventory. Enhance efficiency, that is, having things delivered on schedule saves both time and energy. Enhance customer service, it enables you to deliver quicker and more effective client service. More time for development, that is, it allows you to devote more time to expanding your firm. And greater adaptability, it gives you the freedom to update your product lines fast and simple. Application of just-in-time. So for the case study, there is McDonald's, because it has a high holding cost, are the nature of the fast food industries, wastage, and wait and time. Just-in-time system wherein McDonald's doesn't begin to cook its order until a customer has placed a specific order. Implementation of just-in-time, a sophisticated burger making technology including a record-breaking bun toaster dies. The second McDonald's is able to make food fast enough to wait until it's been ordered and reduction in wastage. Implementing on just-in-time system, that is criteria for success. That is the first one, service; second, quality; third, people; fourth, food operation; and the fifth, that is profitability. For the supply chain, that is from the fields, storage to the food process, food manufacturer, distribution, the restaurant, then to the consumer. Benefit of just-in-time for McDonald's, that is improved quality. The burgers are prepared fresh and hence has improved customer service as the burger is made only after the order is placed. Making special order is not an issue. Cost reduction due to significant reduction in wastage as uncooked material has higher shelf life. Reduction in waiting. Customers waiting just 11 minutes to just 1.5 minutes. Advantage of just-in-time. Advantages of just-in-time, that is production that is more cost effective, quality is always being improved, elimination of waste, increase productivity, enhance your supplier connections, increase the amount of storage. Storage expenses should be reduced production time. Just-in-time stock control. Why is just-in-time stock control? That is, the inventory management does not store raw materials. Instead, it has regular supplies that offer only what is needed before its present raw materials run out, eliminating the requirement for buffer stock. Smaller but more frequent stock orders are sent straight away to the production line on the factory floor. This stock control strategy requires strong supplier relationships. Local vendors will reduce delivery costs and lead times. Just-in-time stock control has disadvantages. Late delivery may leave a company without merchandise. Businesses must weigh the benefits and drawbacks of just-in-time. Key to implement just-in-time stock control, that is examine demand, analyze product and material demand to determine inventory and reorder points, reduce production waste in order to reduce inventory and increase efficiency, optimize manufacturing to ensure materials arrive on schedule, manage your vendors. Coordination with suppliers is required to ensure that goods are delivered on time and in sufficient quantities. Inventory levels may be changed in real time thanks to real-time inventory monitoring. Keep improve the just-in-time process. That is all from me. Thank you.